SafeForest deals with the prevention of wildland and wildland-urban interface fires through the development of innovative advanced robotic means. The project intends to reduce the costs associated with the maintenance of forested areas, particularly near houses, as well as the protection of wide corridors used as fuel breaks and corridors near critical infrastructures, such as roads or railways, in order to manage and contain the propagation of large forest fires. The development of this project encompasses two lines of objectives. Firstly, the development of an advanced mapping and characterization system, denoted as Forest Management Information System, to autonomously plan the terrain management in the most time and cost-effective way, by knowing what kind of vegetation is present in the terrain, employing vegetation growth and advanced fire behavior models, as well as machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. Secondly, the development of a semi-autonomous robot system to clean vegetation in different types of terrain, namely rough and sloppy areas. This is achieved through the use of a heterogeneous robotic team for cooperative localization, mapping and navigation. The general framework is composed of two types of robots: the Ranger, a 4,000 kg autonomous robot based on the Bobcat T190, equipped with a mechanical mulcher for forest clearing; a swarm of Scouts, small UAVs equipped with additional perceptual abilities to assist the Ranger in its efforts. The Ranger is equipped with a sensor kit that includes Intel RealSense 435i cameras, RGB depth and near-infrared sensors, a FLIR AXA thermal camera, a Teledyne Dalsegini Nano C2420 multispectral camera, an UM7 inertial measurement unit, an M-Lead Reach RS2 RTK GPS, and two Leishan C16 laser rangefinders. And this is a visualization of what they sense while the Ranger operates.